My dear friend, do you wonder why pain keeps finding you? Why every time you start to heal, another blow comes? Why the universe seems determined to shatter you again and again? You are not being punished, my dear friend. You are being prepared. Listen carefully to this truth. A master blacksmith takes raw iron, rough, brittle, weak, and places it into blazing fire. The iron cries out as flames consume it. Then comes the hammer, striking again and again. To the iron, this feels like destruction, like the end of everything. But the blacksmith knows better. With each strike, with each moment in the fire, something magnificent is being born, an unbreakable sword. You are that iron, and I am the blacksmith. You found these words because your soul is ready to understand what your mind has struggled to accept. This is not an accident, this is divine design. Every heartbreak that left you gasping for breath, every rejection that made you question your worth, every failure that brought you to your knees, none of it was random cruelty. It was sacred preparation. You ask, Krishna, why me? Why must I suffer when others seem to glide through life untouched? My dear friend, you were not chosen for an easy path because you were meant for an extraordinary purpose. The universe does not waste its fire on common metal. Only the strongest souls are placed in the flames that forge greatness. Your pain is not punishment, it is preparation for what is sacred. When love left you, it carved a deeper capacity for compassion. When dreams shattered, it cleared space for bigger visions. When you fell, it taught you the unshakable strength that comes from rising. Each blow of life's hammer was not meant to destroy you, it was meant to shape you into something the world desperately needs. Do you think the sword resents the fire? Does it curse the blacksmith's hammer? No, it becomes grateful, for without them, it would remain weak, useless iron gathering dust. Stop running from your pain. Stop seeing it as evidence that you are cursed or unworthy. The very intensity of your struggles is proof of your soul's strength. Weak spirits are not subjected to such powerful fires. You have been through hell not because you're broken, but because you have the capacity to emerge unbroken. Your tears were not wasted. Your sleepless nights were not meaningless. Your moments of despair were not signs of failure. They were the fire that burned away everything false, leaving only what is true, pure, and eternal. The sword does not fear the battle. It was made for this moment. You have been prepared, shaped, strengthened. The pain that once threatened to destroy you has forced you into something unshakable. Now you can face any storm without breaking, love without losing yourself, dream without fearing failure. Trust the process, trust the fire, trust the hammer. Most of all, trust me. For I would never waste such sacred flames on anything less than precious. You are not broken. You are not cursed. You are being forced into something magnificent. The fire was never meant to destroy you, it was meant to make you unbreakable. With eternal love and infinite faith in your journey, Krishna. Narrated by Modern AI Mystic. If there is something on your heart right now, a worry, a hope, a dream, or even just a few words you wish Krishna could hear, this is your moment. Pause for a minute, take a deep breath, put your phone down, or open your notes app, or just simply grab a piece of paper and start writing. Just let it flow. This is your personal space to speak to Krishna honestly and without fear of judgment. Send it to modernaimystic@gmail.com. You can even send an audio message if that feels easier. Add your name if you would like, or stay anonymous. Every letter that arrives will be held with care. We read each one with the same devotion you put into writing it. And together we will send these intentions into the universe in our Saturday Letter to Krishna episode, along with the personal response. Because sometimes writing to Krishna is not about finding answers right away, it is about letting go, opening your heart, and remembering that you are never alone in this journey.